Good morning, everyone. Well, apparently the bullish saga continues with gold. We'll see for how long. We'll see for how long. I can see silver just took out some buy side Friday's high, that is. We'll see what exactly it's gonna do from here. I'd honestly like to see a rejection on silver because I'm still open to short idea. So I'd like to see silver rejecting and gold. So silver rejecting at the high, maybe even after taking the buy side at 41.470. Because it's already forming a higher high on silver and it's in a lower high profile on gold. And there's also been this 915 SIBI here. I want to drop down to the lower time frame to see. Yeah, very bullish still in here. Okay. If this low is taken out, I'm likely going to consider looking for short setups, and if price rejects half of this BC, then probably going to be looking for more long setups. I'd honestly like to wait for a 5-minute confirmation for a short, or even like a deeper pullback, some sweep of buy side SMT around, what is that, 3609. We'll see. But for now, it's looking pretty bullish still. Okay, so quick update about Friday's giveaway, the one that I hosted last Friday. Grand Success already is in the process. One of the winners is already in the process of receiving their prize, and as for the other winner, still haven't received any DM from that person, so still waiting for that person to DM me. Really curious if it's gonna reverse this. Oh, it seems to be respecting that BC. Okay. Wow, that was a nice move higher. Really sharp. 50 pips in 2 candles in 2 minutes. Yeah. Clean and fast 1 to 2R. I was looking elsewhere. Missed the entry. And also very clean because it occurred during the micro Q2, the pink one, where we had a manipulation and then that busy being respected. Even the RBV 2 candle confirmation here, 941, 942. Yeah, that was a clean one. But unfortunately, was looking elsewhere. Plus, it was also a nice rejection off of a 15-minute busy. Yeah, that was a nice one. So right now I'd look for shorts only if this busy would be inverted. Why? Because it's the last respected busy, off of which price created a higher high. So if we break this, also break that swing low, preferably with a SIBI, and then rebalance off it goes. Other than that, it's pointless to look for sells right now. And obviously, I wouldn't look for sells on the 1 minute because, again, like, the market's heavily bullish. It really would not make sense to look for short setups on the 1 minute right now, at least for me. So what have you guys been up to this weekend? How did you spend the weekend? I'm injured. I broke a nail so bad that it like my nail was ripped off. And now I'm stuck with a missing finger. Yeah, this thing is really up to something. People are saying 4,000 by the end of the year. And it's really beginning to look very, very, very plausible. A $4,000 gold by the end of 2025. So right now I'm kind of like thinking, like, what exactly could make gold turn around? Because if you look at any time frame you want, there's absolutely blank space to the left side of the chart. Absolutely nothing exists to the left side of the chart. Nothing that would make gold turn around. So when this is the case, you can turn to a correlated pair. And wherever a correlated pair, like for example the index dollar, which is inversely correlated, or silver, which is directly correlated, for the dollar index, you'd look for levels where the dollar would find support and then it would start to move up, which would indicate that gold might actually, which could be indicating that gold might actually start to make a pullback, right? Because if these two are inversely correlated, if the dollar index would find support and thus it would start to go up, then the gold, you'd be expecting it to probably start at least a pullback lower. Now, on the other hand, and the reason why I'm using silver in correlation with gold is because it's a lot easier to observe the correlation between these two, and it's a lot more logical to, apply SMT divergence concepts whenever you're looking at two correlated pair, not two inversely correlated pair. So conversely, if silver would find a resistance somewhere and it would start to show clear signs of rejection off of that resistance, then it could indicate a possible turn around for gold as well. So when the pair that you trade has nothing to the left side of the chart, look for a correlated pairs and see if there is something to the left side of the chart of that correlated pair, and that can actually aid you in figuring out when possible, oh my god, the mosquitoes are back, when possible short setups might actually be real setups, you know, and not just fake outs. Guys, I'll be right back. I need to put some clothes on because the mosquitoes are just killing me. I'll be right back. I'm back. Sorry, guys. Put something on me because the mosquitoes are back. Okay. What is going on here? So guys, last Friday we had a giveaway. The prizes were 2 10K challenge accounts with Neoma funds. And this Friday we're going to have another giveaway, and the prizes are going to be 2 $25,000 accounts. So you guys make sure to watch the future live streams for details on how you can participate in this Friday's giveaway. Hi Alex, you mentioned last week about not trading silver. Why don't you? Same strategy, just pick whichever pair is cleaner price action than that day. I don't know, because even though they are both metals and they're correlated, I never traded silver. The spreads are different. The moves during news or during market opens or pre-market open or post-market open, the move is different. To me, it's already embedded in my head as being the indicator. You don't trade the indicator, you trade the pair, and I don't know, I just can't. I'm a gold trader, not a commodity, not a metals trader. I don't trade metals. If someone would ask me, so what do you trade? I wouldn't say I trade metals, I'd say I trade gold. So I don't know. Yeah, still looking pretty strong today. So it's the 2nd September, no, it's the 2nd week of September. So monthly Q2. Yeah. Good look at this move to the upside as a manipulation. Monday manipulation. Well, how was that? Yeah. And you guys enjoy the music, and if there is some setup popping up, I'll definitely let you know. And if you have questions, just make sure to ask them in the comment section. Good morning to everyone who's joining a little later. Alright guys, so I'm in sells at this point. Entry at 36.34-ish. See if I can get a 2R out of this. Yeah, sort of. Gonna be better, like more confirmation if it's gonna push through this respected BC 957. it's looking pretty solid right now for a continuation lower. I wouldn't really like to see silver reject from this area. It kind of like swept. I'd like to see it continue to move lower. And gold, like gold should just go up only to create top wick of bearish candles. That's it. If the 5-minute BISI, the 5-minute respected BISI, 945, would also turn into an inversion, that would be absolutely amazing. There's 1.5, like a little over 1.5 minutes until the 5-minute candle is going to close. I'm not going to do the same mistake I did on Friday. So if I'm going to see this candle starting to, to pull back, it means that 5 minutes will likely form this to be here on 10-15 candle, and maybe it's better for me to wait for a push up into that and then also wait for a rejection. I'm also curious whether it's going to reach into this low. Moving quite nicely so far. There wouldn't be a lot of reasons for price to want to go up, right now. Let's see. Now I'm really close to hitting TP here, so I'm just gonna get out. Oh my god, you guys, I can't believe this. The song just started. Like, why? I swear to God, I'm afraid. Whenever I hear this fucking song, I'm always in a trade and I'm always afraid. Wow. Crazy. So this to be formed. In 4 minutes also the 30-minute candle is going to close, and this is the first candle off of the current 1-hour candle. Silver is going to reach like a relatively equal low area quite soon. This one over here. And there's also some sell side, SMT sell side over there. I don't yet see silver rejecting. So I'm mainly thinking this is a 5-minute CB tap for gold. If this goes to TP, I'm gonna call it a day, you guys. And it's really close to doing that. I don't like the way it's consolidating here, honestly. And I would have loved to see it break under this low, 956. Yeah. It's just meandering around. I don't like that. Plus, a new 5-minute candle closed, and it closed bullish. No, I'm getting out. I'm getting out because there's no point in keeping the trade open. Because oh, what the hell did I do? There's no point in keeping the trade open. Okay, you could say it reached my TP, but not really. Actually, I wanted it to hit here and maybe even go a little lower. But there's no point in keeping the trade open because look what's going on the 5 minutes. We had a nice push downwards with the SIBI. On my broker, this 5-minute candle, the 1025, tapped the SIBI and then closed bearish. Big upper wick showing rejection, body bearish, and then the next candle closes bullish on the 5 minutes. I don't like that. And I'm really glad I closed the trade. Not by much. $157. Not a lot, but at least it's not in drawdown. And this is occurring after silver took out the area that corresponds to all this area on gold. Silver already took that. So in case this really wants to move lower, it's probably going to be better to wait for another confirmation. You guys, I'm so glad I closed the trade, honestly. Really glad I closed the trade. And like I said, it's always better to wait for another confirmation. Because for now, it's definitely not doing what it's supposed to do if it was decided to drop. We'll see what it does here because it's going to be in another sort of SMT situation. But looking at both pairs, also silver, like, you know, quite strong yet still. You guys have no idea how happy I am I closed the trade. Extremely happy. Because like I said a little earlier, it's tricky to take bearish setups in a heavily bullish market when you're at all-time highs. Because there's nothing to the left side of the chart that could influence price to start to move lower. And so that's when you have to look for potential resistance areas on the correlated pair. And looking at the way silver broke above this high here, for now, it's probably going to continue to move a little higher. Who knows? Let's see. Anyway, I'm gonna call it a day, you guys. And I'll talk to you tomorrow.